My name is Mikaila. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today we are going to be doing a living room makeover, and typically when you think of making over a whole room, you probably think of spending lots and lots of money, and that it is probably something you're going to have to save up for quite a while. Well, in this makeover, I spent very little money, and I want to show you how you can take thrifted items and give your home a brand new look. In fact, the only large item I should say, in this makeover that I bought brand new is the rug, and it was just from Amazon, so it was also very affordable. So if you want to see how I gave my living room a brand new look on a very small budget, then let's just get started.
Take me home.
Whenever I am moving things around or doing any kind of major makeover or decorating, I always like to clean things as I go because, everything's off of surfaces, so it's just a lot easier. Also, I am a little bit stuck on the coffee table. I keep switching around, so I tried this way first with decorating it and wasn't really sure if this was what I was happy with, so then I took that off and started again with a smaller doily to put on the table, and I think I liked it better, but I have this one and one more, and then at the end I have another one that I decorated. So I would love your opinion down below in the comments. Would you just help me out and tell me which one you think looks the best? Is it number 1? Is it this one, number 2? Or is it the one at the end that is number 3? I would really love to know because it would be helpful to get another person's eye on things to let me know which one is the most pleasing to look at. So this is the rug that I got from Amazon. It is a 8x11, and it actually matches the pattern on my hallway rug. I loved it so much that I wanted to get it in a larger size, and my original plan was to put it in the sunroom, but I actually realized that that was too large for my sunroom, so I tried it here in the living room. I think it looks really beautiful, and Sammy was very excited to have a rug back in here. He loves rugs. They're his favorite thing to lay on. And you can see him watching me like, is it time? Can I lay on it now? And there he goes. He's trying it out. He is our quality assurance for every rug that enters our home.
Gonna love you to the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'd never be alone.
This is the part that I am so excited to share with you all. I found some late 1800s from what I've researched. I believe that's their age. You can see me geeking out over there. They are a late 1800s china hutch or curio cabinet and buffet, and they are a set. I got them both for $175, and I just cannot believe that I found them for the amazing price that I did. I was actually scrolling through Marketplace and I'd seen them pop up, and the lady had only listed them about 13 minutes before I messaged her and asked her if they were still available. I was like, are you wanting $175 for both of them? And she said yes for both. So I cannot believe I got them for these prices. Typically when you find Buffets, whether they are this old or not, they are usually around $500 or more in my area. So I have struggled a lot finding one, and I just cannot believe that I found this one and a matching china cabinet together in one bundle. We had to drive a little over an hour to go pick them up, but my husband and my very sweet brother-in-law AJ went and picked them up. They're very heavy, so it definitely took two strong men to load these things in the truck and to unload them. But now I have them in my home, and I am so thankful and so blessed to use them.
Thing I know for sure. I'm holding on forevermore. I'm never gonna let you go.
Looks good, don't it?
Sounds like one of those things that people use to eat their food on.
A tablecloth? It does, doesn't it?
Thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go.
Those sticks that you're opening,
Would you want to use these?
yeah, those got everywhere. I got
Do you want to use this?
I don't like how it's messy.
Okay.
Alright, I want many flowers so exactly. Sorry, love flowers. Flowers are my favorite.
They're pretty.
And especially for roses.
Yes.
Roses are lovely.
I love roses too, and I love tulips.
Man, you're good. I don't know if I should use this one.
You don't like that one?
It's not my size for this.
Here, let me see it. And I'll spread it out for you, and that may help.
Okay.
See, look, you can take them and like kind of pull them apart,
Okay,
and it'll make them look a little better.
Okay.
Also, if they're too long, you can bend it like this.
Okay, look.
Here. Ooh, that's pretty. I love it. Did you want to use this one?
It's still a little long.
Okay. So in a previous Dollar Tree haul, I had shared with you all that I wanted to try to do a flower arrangement with only Dollar Tree flowers and picks. And so this arrangement here is entirely from Dollar Tree, and I threw in those cute little like raccoon and hedgehog, I believe. I just think it looks really cute. I think it turned out pretty good, and flower arrangements and picks can be expensive. This one is Avery's, and this one here is too. She did 2 arrangements. I did 1. And I have to say, for 7 years old, I think she did a pretty good job. So we are all done, and I am so excited. I didn't do a whole lot of decor because I am about to decorate for fall, so I would have just ended up taking everything out that I did. So I put up a few things, and Avery helped me get it all done, and I am very happy with it so far. I definitely still have many more projects to work on, but I love it. I felt very thankful and very blessed to have been able to do this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're having a wonderful day or night, whatever time it is that you're watching this. God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. Bye.